Hey, welcome Bigfoot's Cave. Got a EKLIND metric folding hex key from CC Scraps. Got to check him out. Thank you. Finally got around to having enough time that I could tinker with it, see what I could get done with it. So you're going to see the process, what I did, part of it, not all of it. So if you want to hang out, let's check it out. Hey, welcome back to the cave. It's a surprise from CC Scraps. Just needs a little tidying up. Got to fix this one. That one bent. That goes around corners. See what I can do with this. Got to straighten that one up. Think it'll come out pretty nice. Oh, welcome back. Got this looking pretty good. Looks a lot better than it did. Making a mess. All the rest of the parts tidied up. Still got a little pitting in it, but they're looking nice. Spring. The one girl give a little coating to show it, clean it up, but show it some age. Now the $1 million ticket. I got to remember how I took it apart. So I want to say it was kind of like that. And unfortunately, didn't take a picture before. So yeah. Since I didn't take a picture before like a knucklehead, I don't remember the order. Oops. I do this. Don't know if anybody else does. Just one of my little things. Well, we put a little 3-in-1 and then work it in. Get a little bit of the oil off the fingers. Just oop. Just a smudge more. There we go. Not loose, but just snug. Straighten this one up some. Let's see. I still got a little bit but it's a lot better than it was. That one was around the corner. This one's not too bad. I need to clean up a mess. And I'll show you what I did. Fumble. So I want to thank Chris at CC Scraps for this extra bonus. And there's the metric number, or it's M17, EKLIND, USA made. Goes from, yeah, it's just got numbers. I can't read it. I got stuff on my glasses. Clean them up. Get a light bluing on this just to give a little bit of that tarnished edge. Did the same thing on the nuts. Cleaned up and there's the inside. She's ready for action. This is my very first metric in a folding EKLIND. So, you can watch the CC Scraps. Got to check his channel out. Awesome guy. Great videos. Fun to watch. Thanks again. I think it came out pretty daggone good. Y'all have a good day. Good luck on the hunt.